Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Subway going 7 miles. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Of course, that's going to be a no tip. Total for that one was $6 and change. Got this one right away. It's probably going to be a bad idea, but let's just do it. Got a Mr. Maple Donuts going 8 miles.
You're welcome.
Total for that one was $16. Just got the next order. This one is high mileage, but the previous one took me really far away from my zone, so it's just bringing me back. At least I'll get paid for the mileage. This is a Starbucks, $8 and change, going like 6.5 miles.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next up is a Taco Bell. This one's going 4.5 miles.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Do you have a 4-digit check-in code or an order already placed?
I just have a order for Alex.
Deluxe swaps from the cheesy bacon rice.
Yes. They gave me an add-on for Burger King going like 1 extra mile, so I gotta do that right after this.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Or not? Did I not accept it? Oh, I might have not accepted it. Because that order came in as soon as the lady on the speakerphone started talking. So I kind of panicked. Maybe I just didn't accept it. Also, I don't think I said it was DoorDash. And I don't think she noticed it was DoorDash because this order isn't sealed or marked in any way. No tip. Total for that one was $5 and change. Got this right at the light for it, so it's probably not ready. This is Angel's, $7 going less than a mile. Yeah, a bit of a wait there, but we got it. It should still be a good order. It wasn't that bad. I love when people say, please don't knock, I have a dog. Trust me, I can tell. Okay, it's kind of slowing down right now, so I'm probably going to end it here and slap this together with a different segment. Current time is 7:32. Current total is 40, and waiting on the tip for that last order, which should bring it up to like 45-ish. Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going about 3 miles. This place is busy already. I am number 3 in line. Thank you.
Yeah.
Says, don't ring the doorbell. Nice. That's a no tip. Total for that one was $3. Oh boy. I should have rang the doorbell. I like how the next 4 offers they gave me were high mileage going across the river. They really want me to get over there. Okay, now we're getting a little desperate. It's been 20 minutes since I've received any offers. So, I guess we're just taking the first thing that comes into my phone now. Oh, I probably should not have said that, actually. Got a Jack in the Box, $9, going 7 miles. Come on, give me the light, give me the light. I should be getting there like 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute before the lobby opens, so hopefully they don't make me come inside.
Hi, we're gonna get started for you. Okay, see the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. So there's literally a Jack in the Box right there that is closer to where they live. We're about a mile away. Why they didn't order from there? Who knows? Finally got the next order. I've got a feeling it's gonna be really, really slow today. We're just about to hit the 1 hour mark, and this is the third order. Usually I'd be finishing the third order by this time. But anyways, this is a Wendy's going like 4 miles. I swear the car in front of me was the same one in front of me at McDonald's earlier.
I take your order, please.
Yes, it is. That's a weird coincidence.
You are?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. It says, please make sure to knock and ring the doorbell. My grandpa has trouble hearing. Okay, first of all, that wasn't your grandpa that answered the door. Second of all, I guess there's a problem with tipping too, because no tip. Nice. Total for that one was $5. Average wait time is 1 to 4 minutes, by the way. Meanwhile, I think 2 orders in the past hour and a half. Okay, I switched off of Earn by Time. Let's see if that changes anything. Maybe I'll get some shopping orders at least. It is the day before 4th of July, so maybe someone still needs their hot dogs. Okay, they just tried to give me a Krispy Kreme going 30 miles. What are we doing, brother? Chick-fil-A, $5 and change going 8 miles. Yeah, I don't think so. Victorico's, $5 going 9 miles. I think I'll pass on that one too. We're 2 hours in and have done 3? Yeah, 3 orders. Oh, here we go. I mean, it's something. Got a Chick-fil-A, $5 and change going about 2 miles. Hello. Is this the cashier's office? Right there. Oh. Hello.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Do I go back to Chick-fil-A for a $4 order? Going 2 miles. No, I'm not gonna do that. Next up is a Jack in the Box, just under $6, going 2 miles. There you are.
Thank
Yep.
you.
Have a good day.
You too.
McDonald's 4 for $1. Nope. I mean, it's like barely any mileage, but it's only $4 and it's probably not ready, so that's still not worth it. Starbucks, $4 going 3 miles. No, I'm good. Okay, here we go. Got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $8 going 5 miles. Probably not ready, but at least it's a decent one, or it looks like one at least. Okay, never mind. It was pretty much ready on time. Got this next order pretty much right away. This is a shop and deliver for, what is this? I think Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, 4 items. Got another shop and deliver after this one. I think it might be going to the same store. It's $8 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Come on, come here.
Okay, I think it's time to go home. I'm not feeling very motivated to stay out any longer, even though the last 2 shopping orders were pretty decent. The rest of the orders have been garbage, to say the least. Anyways, current time is 9 o'clock on the dot. Total, I have no idea, but it'll be right there. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.